Frozen damage to sprayers and tanks can shut down operations overnight. Start by fully draining and rinsing tanks immediately after the last application of the season using a floral-safe cleaner like Nutrasol to remove residual chemicals that can freeze and expand. After rinsing, run the cleaners through hoses and nozzles until clear fluid flows to eliminate trapped liquid in lines and valves. Disassemble removable components such as pump heads, check valves, pressure gauges, and strainers, and store them indoors in a dry place that stays above freezing. For non-removable pumps and motors, release pressure, remove batteries, and protect electrical connections with dielectric grease to keep moisture out. If indoor heated storage is not available, place tanks and sprayers in an insulated enclosure and use thermostatically controlled heater packs or small ceramic heaters to maintain above freezing temperature. Before returning equipment to service, perform a pressure check at low pressure, inspect for cracks, run a dye test on seams and fittings if possible, and replace any brittle gaskets or hoses rather than trying to patch them. The most common mistake is assuming a quick rinse removes all water and contaminants, which leaves microscopic pockets that freeze and crack components. Fix that by flushing until clear, then disassemble and blow out lines with compressed air. A second common issue is storing equipment in unheated garages where temperature swings still cause damage. Solve this by moving gear indoors, using insulated wraps, or employing thermostatic heat sources to keep temperatures steady. The third is skipping a full pre-season inspection and then discovering leaks under pressure. Prevent that by doing a step-by-step startup check, including low-pressure testing, visual seam inspection, and replacing any suspect seals or gaskets before the first job. We run BigHomeProjects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find steady work related to projects like winter storage and equipment maintenance. Our site also hosts a discussion community where pros and homeowners exchange practical tips and post real-world solutions for pest control equipment care.